Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. If you are looking for a ready for occupancy or pre-selling single attached property here at Diparo, Caloocan, please continue to watch this video. So guys, in front of me is our model unit with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 carport with living and dining area. So this is a smart home. So meron siyang kasamang solar panel sa taas, and also meron siyang kasamang split air cons each rooms. So if you are interested, please continue to watch this video. So this is your small community guys here at Diparo, Caloocan. So meron tayong gate dyan and guard 24/7. Meron din po tayong mga amenities na swimming pool and other amenities to enjoy with. So i-check natin yung model unit. Let's go. So at this area guys is your carport, and this is your main door, and you have here your pocket garden. Yan. So sa dulo meron tayong dirty kitchen. Yan. So pwede ka pang magpa-extend dyan if meron kang future plans, no, meron kang future plan para mag-extend. Okay, so i-check natin yung living and dining area. So let's go. So guys, hindi pa to totally polished, no? Kasi nga, ongoing pa lang yung paggawa niya. Pero this is fully finished upon turnover. And kasama na rin yung mga cabinets sa turnover, naka-tiles na, fully painted. Yan. So this will serve as your living and dining area. And that area is your kitchen. May mga provision dyan para sa range hood and also for the refrigerator. And at this area naman, you have your entry and exit point going to your dirty kitchen and also your pocket garden. Alright, so moving on. At your left side guys, meron tayo dyan extra space, no, for your storage. So yan, kasama yan sa turnover. Mga cabinet, yung mga pull-out cabinets. And ito naman ay yung toilet and bath sa ground floor. Yung mga fixtures dyan guys are part of the turnover already. And you have a small room here at the ground floor. So kung meron tayong mga kasamang elderly, pwede naman siya. And you can also use this as your office, no, sa mga nag-work from home. Okay, so akyat tayo sa taas. Let's go. So ganito na yung turnover niya guys. I just love, no, yung high ceiling sa area na to. Ayan. Pakita natin. Ayan. Diba? Okay. Kita tayo. So sa second floor guys, meron tayong 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So ito yung bedroom 1. Ayan. With aircon na kasama. And of course, meron tayong, this is your bedroom 2. Kasama na guys sa yung split type na aircon na yan, kasama na yan sa turnover. Okay? And we have here our common toilet and bath. So may second floor. Kasama na yun yung shower fixtures and also your toilet fixtures. Okay, and welcome to your master's bedroom. So yung master's bedroom natin guys, ay meron siyang own toilet and bath and balcony. Okay, so check natin yung toilet and bath. Let's go. So that's your toilet and bath. And this is your balcony. Okay, nice. Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or call me through the numbers provided. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!